With Liebherr is a company that kind of specializes in a lot of different things, anywhere from construction machines to mining equipment, crawlers, cranes, aerospace and transportation system. They have a lot of different avenues that they work in. Liebherr, with that kind of expertise and that broad of industry kind of work that they can do, it also comes with some really cool equipment, really cool opportunities for potential workforce. You can specialize in a lot of different things to be able to work with Liebherr and kind of take your trade in that sort of profession. So I'd recommend go check out what Liebherr has. It's a huge company and a lot of different opportunities. It's not just one. So go check out what they have, and I hope you like it.